Okay, bring it up till it makes that noise. Now, can any of you Ford Mustang guys out there, or Ford guys, give me some kind of idea of what this noise is? Let me tell you what I've done so far. Since I found that tick, I've replaced the timing chain guides, the timing chains, the timing chain tensioners. I put in a Melling high volume standard pressure oil pump. I've replace the cam followers with the new updated ones with the smaller oiling hole, and nothing has changed that sound. Now, I've used a mechanic stethoscope and I've been all over. It's not coming from the bottom end. It can be heard on the passenger side, but I've narrowed it down to this side, this area right here, and then down a little bit on the front. I'm thinking maybe a cam phaser broken or something is not working, but they look good when I had it apart. Maybe I'm not experienced. Maybe I'm just missing something about it. Next thing I thought it could be is possibly a failing lash adjuster. I don't know, or I could have maybe a bad valve seat. I don't know. It does it when I hit cruise or when I'm slightly backing off, but it does not do it when I'm throttle up on this thing or when I back off the throttle suddenly. It doesn't do it at all. I'm running 42 to 45 psi oil pressure at a hot idle, so I doubt that it could be a rod bearing. I'm just absolutely stumped. So if any of you smart guys out there have a clue, hit me up, let me know. I would really appreciate it.